I like that.
Why, Cyrus, you scared?
Yeah, they're terrified. He's like,
Fucking
I'm scared they're going to
pussy.
hit me.
I went like that. I was like, I'm getting down, it still might hit me.
And
I could play football like that in the line.
Yeah. My helicopter is here, joking. Oh, that's good.
yeah, that's hard.
The camera's still on fire. I'll pick that up. Yeah.
Yeah.
One explosion at the time.
Wait, fuck that, bruv. Oi! Yeah, that's hard.
That was nuts. I'm putting my hood up just in case.
Yeah. Wait, where are all the sticks going, bruv?
No, they're not sticks, they're shots, aren't they?
Best view in the fucking house. Oh. Oh no, I don't like these ones. About that, bruv, if one of them fucking hit me.
They're all on the fucking floor, man. What the fuck?
Oi, fuck that, I don't like it. Yeah, bang. Oh, wait. I'm getting a fucking view, bruv. Yes.
It's all about going up here.
No, trust me, Bill, bruv. I've got a fucking view. Look at that. This is going on YouTube, mate. 1,000 views. Wait, fuck that. Alright, fucking hell, fireworks, calm down. ADHD fireworks. Lost your phone. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I think they want fireworks display. Yeah, fuck that, bruv. I'm cacking myself now.
If one of them doesn't go off, we're like dead.
What?
If one doesn't go off, we're dead.
One does what?
If one doesn't go off,
What?
they're like that big.
Fuck that, bruv. Yeah, about that, bruv. Fuck that. Yeah, fuck that. I'm like a cat. Oh, allow that one, bruv. Fucking hell. Oh. Yeah. They're hard, bruv. They're fucking hard. Oi, boys. Now that one gave me a fucking fright. Go on.
On my phone.
Where is it? You recording?
I was on the floor. Yeah.
Oh, where are all the fucking fireworks gone?
There's like a really big one in a minute.
Should we make a better film? I'm joking. Come on. Oh, now all these things, bruv. See how close them ones came? That was fuck. Was that the fireworks display over? Yeah, I'd rather stab myself than watch them.
You shot yourself
Oh,
up
it's
and away
gone.
like a little
Nah,
girl.
nah. Wait, Billy, when them ones came down, that I was gone. I'm still
I really shit
recording.
myself. I said if one doesn't go off, it's going to hit you and you'll die. You little pussy, you ran away.
No, I didn't fuck off.
You ran down the
No,
alleyway going,
yeah.
fuck this and ran
Yeah,
away.
fuck that.
little
Yeah.
girl, Jamie.
Do fuck that. Oh, I can be a little girl for one.
Look, Penny stayed here, but you ran away.
Yeah.
You woman.
And Penny's the only one who did want to fucking stay here.
Alright, that's it.
Is that over?
Yeah.
Kurt, now you go lay down. We'll set you on fire.